Hello. Day 5. Take 10 minutes to stretch during the day, during your workday. Strengthening your mental health. Actually, it helps by stretching your body out and just, activating it all during the day. Sitting in front of the computer, if you work a lot in front of the computer, can be very draining on your body. So stretching your muscles gives new energy to your head and your body. Make sure that your whole body is flowing. So stretch for 10 minutes a day helps the mental health. Take care. Stay safe.